Hi there. I just wanted to say here today is Linux is a time waste. Linux is a time waste. Actually, using Linux desktop is a time waste, as I might think. You might ask why. In every part of the Linux desktop is built by different people, by different strategies, but different ideologies, and when you try to get together all of the things in a kernel as not related with any of the applications such like the systemd, the service manager, or for example the package manager, the xbbps, which is not related with the systemd, it's just wastes your fucking time. I'm using Arch Linux. It's so small process. I wanted to install Zen browser and Omarchy right now, but it just gives me a freaking error. I don't want to deal with small errors. I'm wasting my 1 hour every day. This could be a skill issue, but I can be a skill issue person in computer, but I want to get success in life. I want to touch grass. I don't want to deal with that shit. I'm already using WSL in Windows. I'm already using Linux, and I think Linux is a great thing for development, but it's not suitable for desktop. I mean, the whole Unix-like systems, I hate that shit. It's all for the nerds that sit around the computer for hours. We don't deserve that. Okay, Windows is not gonna be the goodest thing that I ever had. Windows could be a bad, but we could create something like Windows. I mean, I don't think that we should use Linux. I mean, the Arch Linux. This whole freaking stuff, the tiling window manager type, and why we are fucking doing this shit instead of creating us some real stuff. Why we don't? Why we don't creating some new browser or a new system? Maybe a new paradigm for programs. Why we don't build our chips? This could be open source as well. I support open source. And I wanna create an open source. I wanted to create an open source kernel operating system and something open source. But here's the way that I think that it's just time waste for me. I mean, I don't feel like this is the true thing. Maybe it could be a skill issue. You motherfuckers can't say that, oh, you're just a skill issue, man. I don't think so. But if you think so, it's okay. I want to touch grass. I want to go outside. I want to go gym. I'm fine with computers, but I don't want to. I just don't want to do it. I don't. I use FreeBSD. FreeBSD, I think it's good. But the X11 or VLAN, the whole fucking Unix desktop, sucks. It sucks. We need something centralized, just like Windows, but in open source. Ubuntu, maybe, but Debian, I think the only Linux distro that you could use for daily desktop use, which I actually installing on my daily drive alongside Windows 10. I think Windows 11 sucks as well, but Windows 10, Windows 10 is okay. Never mind. So I guess that's it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't want to install Windows 11. I'll stick with Windows 10. I'm sorry. I don't want any troubles anymore. I actually have a lot of troubles in my life. I don't want in computers. See ya.